Welcome back to Courtroom Breakdown. And trust me, today's case is one that will leave you speechless. We've got Nadav Garcia standing before the court on not one, but two serious charges. First, driving while intoxicated with children under 15 in the car, a state jail felony. Second, unlawfully carrying a weapon as a convicted felon. That's a second-degree felony carrying up to 20 years behind bars. Now here's where it gets even more shocking. Garcia wasn't just caught driving drunk. He admits he had smoked 3 bowls before driving around middle school kids. The judge isn't holding back, and neither should you. Would you call this reckless parenting or outright child endangerment? Stick around, because the judge is about to deliver some brutally honest truths, and Garcia, well, let's just say his excuses don't land as smoothly as he thinks.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 6751 and 2024 CR 10332W, State versus Nadav Garcia. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Megan Enriquez for Nadav Garcia.
And are you Mr. Garcia? And the cause number ending in W. It appears that you're charged with driving while intoxicated with a child 15 years or younger in paragraph A and paragraph B. Those are state jail felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? And the cause number ending in 51, you're charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Then in cause number 2024 CR 6751, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
And in cause number 2024 CR 10332W, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
And is that no contest plea to paragraphs A and B? All right. In each cause number, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just respectfully ask the court to follow the plea bargain that we've reached with the state. We do believe he's motivated to be successful on probation, and we're grateful to the prosecutors for looking into everything. This was set for a discovery compliance hearing, but the prosecutor was able to send some emails and get their discovery that had been outstanding for 10 months. Was able to get it, and we were able to get the cases resolved. So we're grateful.
All right. So who is allowing you to be around their children? Well, I mean, at the moment, no one, unless they're letting children come to the Bexar County Jail, which I don't think they do that anymore. But I'm talking about the 2 children who were in the vehicle with you when you were intoxicated because you had smoked 3 bowls of marijuana. I'm talking about Emily is one of the juveniles, Justin. So how do you know them?
They're my ex-girlfriends.
Say
Oh, Emily is her daughter, and the little boy was her boy.
You mean the little boy was her what?
Yes,
Was in-
Emily's boyfriend.
Your ex?
Yes. Emily is her daughter, and the little boy was her boyfriend.
if I may speak now.
Oh, yeah. I need to explain this
Yes.
because
So he was in a dating relationship with Emily's mother at the time.
he's saying that Emily is the girlfriend of the boy who's in the vehicle.
Correct. They were teenagers, middle schoolers that are dating. So it's Emily is his ex-girlfriend's daughter, and the other child in the other paragraph that was under 15 was Emily's middle school boyfriend. And he was giving Emily's boyfriend, the other child, a ride home around Christmas time.
Middle school children are dating now, have boyfriends and girlfriends.
The judge absolutely zeroes in here, hammering Garcia with one undeniable truth. If you were too high to admit you were high, then you were definitely too high to drive. And let's be honest, that's the core issue in so many impaired driving cases. People convince themselves they're fine, when in reality, their judgment is so clouded that they can't even recognize the danger they're creating. Notice how Garcia almost shrugs it off, like it was just the holidays. But think about it. Does celebrating Christmas ever justify putting children's lives at risk? What do you think? Should holiday leniency even matter here? Or is this a case where consequences should be harsher because kids were involved?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Well, I mean, you have no room to speak because let me just tell you, you did 3 bowls of marijuana and then you are driving children around.
No.
So you should not have been there anyway. You should have said, I can't drive them. I'm too high. But I guess if you're too high, you don't tell people you're too high because you're too high. Well, I hope Child Protective Services is involved with them.
Yeah.
Mahia, this is why we have issues because children are being allowed to be in the care of someone who's done 2 bowls of, and then middle school children have boyfriends and girlfriends. That never happened with Laura Ingalls. How do you spend your time? Doing what?
I don't do roofing. I tie rebar daily. Because of the conditions of the time where sometimes it rains, sometimes it don't. Sometimes I work, sometimes I don't. So I work.
Okay, you're mumbling and the court reporter can't pick it up and I can't hear you.
I said I do roofing and I tie rebar, but because of the weather, sometimes it rains, sometimes it don't. There were times where I don't work, so I started working at Golden Chick instead. So I'd be able to work more or less, my 40 hours, maybe more if I could get extra hours.
So do you think it's dangerous to be on a roof and high?
Actually,
Or you just smoke on your off time?
Well, I smoked because it was really the holiday, but yeah, it was really the off time, I guess, since we didn't work.
I mean, it was Christmas. So instead of celebrating Jesus's birthday, you decided to do both. Alrighty.
Yes,
Do you have any children?
I'm at
How old are you?
29.
All right. Is there anything else you think I should know about you before I sentence you?
Made a mistake.
No, I mean, it's not a mistake. You made choices.
I made bad choices.
All right.
And trying to fix them any way I can.
Mhm.
Better for myself as well.
All right. All right. And the cause number ended in the W. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 5 years. This is to run concurrent with 2024 CR 6751. All right. Next, we're going to move on to 2024 CR 6751.
The sentencing comes down hard but calculated. 2 years in state jail, probated for 5 years on one charge, plus a concurrent 5-year probated sentence on the other. What this means is Garcia won't immediately sit behind bars. Instead, he's under strict probation supervision. For some, this feels like a second chance. For others, it may feel like a slap on the wrist, considering the charges. But judges often weigh rehabilitation against punishment. The key here? If Garcia slips up again, that probation could easily turn into real prison time. This is his final warning. Stay clean, stay sober, and stay away from situations that put children at risk.
Court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. This is run concurrent with 2024 CR 10332W. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you're driving and you know you're intoxicated, number one, you should not be driving. Number two, you should not be driving with children in the vehicle. Anything could have happened. You could have been in an accident, and those two children would have been killed. And guess what? Then you would have been boohooing and crying about how you didn't mean to do it. It was Christmas, and I'm just celebrating Jesus' birthday by getting high. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In this court, communication is key. If there's an issue that you need help with, call the probation officer. If you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
And there it is. The judge closes with a powerful reality check. If Garcia had crashed, 2 children could be dead, and all the excuses in the world wouldn't bring them back. It's a chilling reminder that impaired driving is never victimless. It's a gamble with other people's lives. So what do you think? Was probation the right call here, or should Garcia have faced actual prison time given the circumstances? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from you. And if you found this breakdown as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom commentary. Trust me, the next case is even wilder.